Hi, welcome to our next junior probability video. We're going to chat about sampling with and without replacement. Right, straight into example one. So a card was chosen at random from a standard deck of cards. We're going to work out the probability that it's the Queen of Hearts. Now we know there's 52 cards in the deck and there's one Queen we're trying to find. So there's one chance out of 52 that it's the Queen of Hearts. Let's assume that the card we pick out was not the Queen of Hearts. We have two scenarios that can occur when we go to select a second card. First of all, if the first card gets replaced back into the deck, the probability that the next card is the Queen of Hearts will stay the same, one chance out of 52. Putting the card back into the deck, and therefore there's 52 cards and one Queen to find. However, if the first card was not replaced into the deck, the probability the Queen of Hearts changes to one chance out of 51. And let's show you why. Here's our 52 cards, and our first card was not the Queen. Let's assume it was some other card, and it's not replaced into the deck. Now there's only 51 cards left, and there's still one Queen to find, so there's one chance out of 51 that the next card will be a Queen of Hearts. So here's what a tree diagram would look like. If the first card was the Queen of Hearts, there's one chance out of 52 that happens. But if the first card was not the Queen of Hearts, there's 51 chances out of 52 of that happening. If that happens, the first card's not the Queen, we go to get the second Queen, and we don't replace the first card. Now there's only 51 cards in the deck, and there's one Queen still to find. So one chance out of 51, and 50 chances out of 51 it's not the Queen the second time round. All right, example two. A marble was chosen at random from a bag containing 5 marbles, each a different color. So the probability of me picking a red marble is one chance out of 5, because there's one red and there's 5 marbles. Once again, if we put our hand in, get a marble, and it's not red, we've got two scenarios that can occur when we go for our second marble. If we put the marble back into the bag, the probability we get a red marble second time round stays at 1 out of 5. Cool? But if we don't replace the marble, when we go to get our second marble, the probability that it's a red marble changes to 1 out of 4. We'll show you quickly why. Here's our 5 marbles. We put our hand in, we get a marble out. It's not red. We don't replace it. So now there's only 4 marbles left, and there's one chance out of 4 it's red. Here's what the tree diagram will look like for this scenario. We've got one chance in red, it's 1 out of 5 it's red first up. We've got 4 out of 5 chance it's not red. If the first marble's not red and we don't replace it, now there's only one chance out of 4 it's red, because there's 4 marbles left in the bag and one of them's red, and there's 3 chances out of 4 it's not red. All right, here's our last example for the video. Example 3. A marble was chosen at random from a bag containing 5 marbles. 3 of them are red, 2 of them are blue. So we want to work out the probability we get a blue marble. Now there's 2 blue out of the 5 marbles, 2 out of 5, right? Now we put our hand in, we get a marble, we take it out, we're going for a second marble. And here's 3 scenarios now. Let's go through them. If the first marble was replaced back into the bag, the probability that the second marble's blue stays at 2 over 5. That won't change because the marble goes back into the bag. Look at this scenario. If the first marble was not replaced and the first marble was red, the probability of getting blue changes to 2 over 4. Have a look at the bag up there, the box, and I'll show you why. Say there's those marbles there, and we take out a red first, and we don't replace it. Now see that there's 2 chances of blue out of the 4 in the bag. Yep. Right, here's our third scenario. If the first marble was not replaced and the first marble was blue, the probability of getting a blue second changes to 1 out of 4. Take a look up and I'll show you why. So our blue comes out, we don't replace it, there's 1 blue out of 4 that we get a second blue. All right, thanks so much for watching.